Hey y'all, got my Chuck Schumer glasses on. We out here in the garage messing around on Sunday between morning church and evening church, trying to get a little bit of go-kart stuff done on the Lord's Day. You know what I'm saying? Took these old bearing cassettes, 1.25 bearing cassettes we had laying around, and with a little bit of Mother's and the cordless drill with a little buffer pad on it. They look pretty good. I mean, I didn't sand on it or nothing. I just rubbed a little stuff on. That's just a once over. Good enough, right? Cutting some bolts, bolting together. We got our bearing hangers for these cassettes here. There's 2 sets of holes, so you can go up or down. These top holes were just a little too close together, so we had to take a little file them out. You know, they're all either laser cut or something, I think, and you know, that stuff's, I mean, although accurate, you know, it was just off by a hair. So we got both of these fixed up. We're gonna go ahead and finish polishing up this other bearing cassette, clean up the inside where the bearing goes in real good, and then we're going to assemble the rear axle with the brake rotor and hub, sprocket hub. The sprockets will be 2-piece, so we can put them on later. And get the wheel hubs on it, and get it set up over there on the bench so it's ready to go. And then, you know, tomorrow we'll work on getting these spindle yokes squared away. I think we're going to go a little bit different direction, but I'll explain that to you in the next video. So I'm helping myself to 160 calories for a 1/4 cup of cashews. Love the cashews. And you know what? It's a good treat for a guy on a diet, right? So, hang in there, y'all. We're praying for you. We'll talk to you. See you in a bit.